Feeling overwhelmed by clutter? Join me on a transformative journey with the 7-Day Declutter Challenge. In just 1 week, we'll turn chaos into calm and reclaim our living spaces. Today, we're diving into a week-long decluttering adventure. Whether you're a seasoned organizer or a beginner, these tips will help you create a more organized and stress-free home. Day 1 is all about planning. Start by identifying the areas in your home that cause the most stress. Is it the kitchen, the bedroom, or maybe the garage? Set a clear goal for the week and gather your supplies: trash bags, labels, and a timer. Remember, 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Choose a time that works best for you and stick to it. Let's get started. Focus on one area at a time. Today I'm tackling the kitchen. Use the 20/20th rule. If you can replace an item for under $20 in less than 20 minutes, consider letting it go. Don't forget to involve your family. Decluttering can be a fun group activity, and it teaches valuable lessons about organization. Feeling stuck? It's normal to face emotional hurdles. For sentimental items, ask yourself if they truly bring joy or if they're just taking up space. Sometimes a second opinion from a friend can help. Remember, progress over perfection. It's okay to take small steps. Keep the momentum going by setting daily goals. If you finish early, reward yourself with a break or a small treat. This keeps motivation high and makes the process enjoyable. Congratulations! You've completed the 7-Day Declutter Challenge. Take a moment to enjoy your newly organized space. Remember, this is just the beginning. Regular decluttering will keep your home stress-free. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your decluttering success stories in the comments below.